Okay. Employee training කොහොමද business growth එකට directly match වෙනවා කියලා අපි බලන්න යන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ when we train the employees, the first thing today we are going to see what one important thing which is going to directly hit the sales. So when you train your employees properly, what will happen to the mistakes? Or where are these when the mistakes ke quantity, number of mistakes going to get reduced. So එතකොට quality going to increase. But think about this. ඒගොල්ලන්ට අපි pay කරන්න යන්නේ අර amount එක salary එක. Will there be a change? No change at all. ඒකේ මොන වෙනසකුත් නැහැ. හැබැයි output එක automatically වැඩි වෙනවා. This is the most important reason why an employee training is important and why most of the foreign companies are performing so successfully. ඒගොල්ලෝ හරියට අර successfully perform කරන මුල්ම reason ඇවිල්ලා they are best employees. ඒ employee තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ අතේ ඉන්නේ. ඒගොල්ලන්ව අපි හරියට train කරනකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට බලන්න පුළුවන් a very very big results. So if you want employee training, contact IHG Business Consultant. Screen එක number එකට WhatsApp කරන්න. We will send you further details. Thank you very much.